One of the latest developments in lens technology is something called stabilization. In fact, Tamron calls it vibration compensation. The names are different, but the idea is the same. The way that vibration compensation works is like this. There's an element inside the lens that's surrounded by several different gyros. When you move, it senses the movement and moves in the opposite direction. So it stabilizes the image from your movement, which prevents blur. Tamron's proprietary technology uses 3 points to triangulate and give you the most effective stabilization. This technology allows you to be able to hand-hold an image at 4 stops slower than previously possible. Stabilization is great. It can prevent blur from camera movement. However, it can't stop action any better. But if you're doing a long exposure on the tripod, it's recommended that you shut it off. If you have a Sony or Pentax, the stabilization is built into the body. But if you have a Canon or Nikon, the stabilization has to be built into the lens.